Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Rockford and Cherry Valley around 8:05 p.m.
You severe thunderstorm warning for me.
Around 8:10 p.m. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower floor of the building.
Oh crap! KZZ57 went off the air! Shoot! Holy crap, that's not good. There it is. Alright, it's back. It's back. Alright, we're good. I'm gonna count that as an alert.
Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. in North Central and Northeastern Illinois. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. for Ogle, Northern Lee, and Winnebago counties.
Alright, man.
8:03 p.m.
Oh crap. You know what, never mind.